Hi everyone, thank you so much for subscribing the video and subscribing the channel, liking the videos, hitting on the bell icon. I hope my videos are adding the value to your career, to your learning. That is my major objective of recording any videos so that it gives you the knowledge. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to make material master fields mandatory, optional, display and so on. Because many a time user forgets to give the right information in the material master. Certain thing has to be entered but they forget to give it. So how to avoid? You have to make certain field mandatory or you have to make display, hide, optional. So how to do it? Before actually going into the configuration, let us see. So in my example, I'm going to make profit center field as a mandatory field. So first I'll show you that it is not mandatory. Then I'll change the configuration. Then we'll make it mandatory. So to create the material master, you have to use T code called MM01. Hit enter. Give your material type because all your material master fields are controlled from the material type. So I'm using material type AROH. Therefore, I'm writing here my material type AROH. Now, I'm following internal number range. So I'm giving material number blank, hit enter. These are the minimum tab you have to select while creating the raw material related material master. These are the minimum tab. So if you select here like this, if you click here, it will get selected. Now click here, continue. Give your plant and hit enter. Enter. Give here description, battery model 3 I am creating. See, this field is mandatory, this field is mandatory, but these fields are not mandatory. Why? Because they are configured from the backend. So that is how we want to make even profit center field also is a mandatory. Go here, give some minimum information what is required to create the material master. Go to directly accounting 1 tab, give the valuation class, go to costing 1. So in costing 1 you will find the profit center. See, this profit center is not mandatory. Now how to make this field mandatory? That is what we are going to learn today. Now press F1. Press F1. Click on this technical information and note down the table and note out the field. So this is the table and this is the field. So I have noted down here, this is the table and this is the field. Click and save it. Save without giving the profit center. Hit enter. See, it got saved. Material number is 203. So give your material number 203. So you saw that material number got created without giving profit center. Now how to make profit center mandatory? To do this one, you have to go T code OMSR or let us follow the path. Go to SPRO, reference IMG, logistic general, material master, field selection. Come here, assign field to field selection group. Come here. Here all your fields are listed down here. You have to find out what is the selection group or what is the number is assigned to your field. So if same number is assigned to multiple fields, then if you control the field, then for all the fields it will work in same way. So here come, give your field name, mark /PARCTR. This is the table and this is the field name. Hit enter. See here profit center. So for this profit center, this is the field assigned. So control happen at this number level. So if same number is assigned here also, if I control at this field level, at this level, If I make profit center mandatory, even this field will also become mandatory. So wherever 48, 48 is assigned, everywhere it will work same way. Let's say here 90, 99 assigned, here also 99 assigned. So if I control for this field, this field will also become same way. If I am making this field optional, this will also become optional. That is the meaning. So you have to find out this one first of all, 48. Now note it down and write here 48. 48. Now you have to go next to OMS 9. OMS 9 you can go from here also. Click on this button. Go to here. Sorry, it is selected here. Click here, then go to here. So it comes like this. It comes like this. So under 48 number, only one field is linked. Only one field is linked. So you can come directly either from here or come back. Don't save anything here until you have really shuffled the number. Come to this one. Maintain field selection for data screen. You can bring the T code also. So this is the OMSR, this is the OMS 9. Click here. Click here 48 because you identified profit center is there in the field selection group 48. Hit enter. So this is the one. Now you have to find out the field reference. How to identify what field reference you have to use? This depends on your material type. Open another screen. Go and see the material type. T code is OMS2. Hit enter. So I am using this material type AROH. Double click here. You have to check this one. You have to check this one. This is the field selection assigned. ROH. You can find here ROH. This is the field selection. So take the position. Select ROH. So you can use this one ROH if you want to use. If you use this ROH, you can make either hide, display, required or optional. Then this field will behave accordingly. Let's say you don't want to use this standard one. You want to create your own. So you can go and click on new entries. Give here some name. Let's say I am giving like field status group. This is what I am giving. A means Apple. In my example, I am taking Apple company for practice purpose. So Apple field status group. Hit enter. Enter. Save it. Save it. Come back. Now see here, it is there. This is what you have created. If it is not coming, let's say somewhere down it is there, you can take position AFSG. Type like this. Take this one and make this field required. So what will happen? This profit center will become required. Hit it. Save it. Now take this one and assign in the material master. Sorry, not material master, material type. Come here, link here. Save it. Now what will happen whenever you use this material type file creating the material master, this field will become mandatory. For this material type, this is the field status group. So any material master created by taking this material type, this is the field status group will be applicable. And in this field status group, this is how you control the field. Now let us go in the material master. Let us go in the change mode MM02 and let us give our material master 203. 203, hit enter. Go to costing tab directly and check either profit center become mandatory or not. See, this field become mandatory now. Without giving profit center, you cannot save now material. So this is how you can save. This is how you can make any field mandatory optional like this. Save it. If any field you want, You just give the field status number. You have to know which field is given under which field status group. Then if you make this field as a required, then this field will also become required, this field will also become required. 2 under this 2, this many fields are there. If you make a required, all this field will become required. If you don't want any field required, then assign different number to that. How can assign the different number? You have to assign this in this step. In this step, first step, you can give different number to different field. I hope you like the video. This is very important. Material master consultant or material MM consultant does for the material master. Thank you so much for watching the video.